Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up in Elementor. Pop-ups are a powerful way to capture leads, promote special offers, or grab visitors' attention at the right moment on your website. If you want to create a pop-up on your WordPress site using Elementor, just follow these simple steps. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and go to Plugins. Then click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Elementor. When the plugin appears in the results, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. Elementor is a page builder that allows you to design pages and elements visually without coding. After activating Elementor, you'll need an additional plugin to help create pop-up functionality. Again, go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for exclusive add-ons for Elementor. Install and activate that plugin as well. Next, you can also install another helper plugin called Anywhere Elementor if needed for additional template control. Just search for it in the plugin section, then install and activate it the same way. Once your plugins are installed, go to the left sidebar and click on Pages, then select Add New to create a new page where you want to trigger the pop-up. Give the page a name, then click Publish, and after that, select Edit with Elementor. Inside the Elementor editor, you can start designing the page layout. But before adding the pop-up trigger, you need to create the pop-up template itself. To do that, go back to your WordPress dashboard and find AE Templates on the left menu, then click Add New. Choose a template type and name it something like Pop-up Template. Then click Publish. After publishing, click Edit with Elementor to design the pop-up content. Now you can add elements like headings, text, images, or buttons inside the pop-up. You can also customize the layout by adjusting things like minimum height, padding, background color, and styling so the pop-up stands out visually. Once you finish designing the pop-up, click Update to save it. Then go back to the template list and copy the shortcode generated for that pop-up template. Next, return to the page you were editing with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, search for a pop-up or modal pop-up widget in the widget panel. Drag and drop the widget onto your page. Inside the widget settings, select the option to use a shortcode and paste the shortcode of the pop-up template you copied earlier. This connects the pop-up design to the button or trigger on your page. You can then customize the button text, icon, colors, and styling to match your website design. Once everything looks good, click Update to save your changes. Now, when visitors click that button on your page, the pop-up you created will appear, helping you capture attention or encourage users to take action. And that's it. That's how to add a pop-up in Elementor and connect it to a page on your WordPress site. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.